Okay, so let's look at this very simple trigonometric equation. The equation is cos theta is 1/2, and we're asked to solve this for theta between 0 and 360 degrees. So you can take your calculator if you want, if you don't know this, and type in cos inverse of 1/2, and you'll get one solution to this equation, which is theta equals 60 degrees, if your calculator is in degrees. However, trig equations are a lot like quadratic equations in that they often have more than one possible answer. So it turns out that we get one answer from our calculator and we need to use our brain to track down, well in this case, the other answer. So how do we do that? There are two distinct ways of thinking about it. One way, the way that I guess I prefer, is to think about a unit circle, and the cos function is the x-coordinate of points on this circle. So we're looking for points where the cos function is equal to 1/2, so that's the x-coordinate is 1/2. That's these 2 points on the circle. This is a unit circle, the radius is 1. So our calculator has told us that this angle here is 60 degrees, and the other angle that we're looking for starts here at east and goes all the way around and gets to this line, which, using the symmetry of the circle, is actually 60 degrees short of a full turn. So you have or theta equals 300 degrees. The alternative way of thinking about this is, rather than to think about the circle, which is, let's say, my preferred method, think about the graph of the cosine function. Oh, sorry, that doesn't look great. Let's try again. So if you plot y equals cosine of x, y equals cos x, sorry, not great, but it'll do. You get a wave like this. This is 360 degrees. Where is this equal to 1/2? 1/2 is here. This is 1. Well, one point is here. That calculator is telling us 60 degrees. And the other point where it's equal to 1/2 is here. Our calculator tells us that's 60. So this distance here is also 60. So we get the second solution, theta equals 300. Either way, we've got these two solutions. And if the range had been bigger, we could have got more solutions by adding or subtracting multiples of 360 degrees to either of these two. But here we have one full turn, so we get two solutions. Theta is 60 or 300.